Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.